So for this problem, to find the differential equation using the separation of variables, then from this given to find the particular solution. So first, we need to rewrite this y prime to dy over dx. So this becomes 4x, then y, then times dy over dx, then equals y squared plus 1. Then we need to do the cross multiplication. So multiply dx to this side. So this becomes 4xy. Then the dy then equals y squared plus 1. Then times the dx. Then we can apply now the separation of variables. Now take note that for dx, the denominator must be all x, and for dy, the denominator must be all y. So this is now the separation of variables. So we need to separate all x and separate all y. So from this equation, so we have this y dy, then equals for this side, so we have dx. Now take note that dy and dx must be in the numerator. So for this 4x, so this must be the denominator of dx. Then this y squared plus 1, this is now the denominator for dy. So y squared plus 1. So this is now the separation of variables. So separate all y and separate all x. Then we need to integrate both sides. So the integral of y then over y squared plus 1, then the dy then equals for this side. So we need to put this denominator 4 outside. So this is 1 over 4, then the integral of dx over x. Then to evaluate now the integral, so for this term, we're going to use the u substitution. So u equals y squared plus 1 and du. So the derivative of y squared, this is 2y times the dy. Then divide by 2, divide by 2. So du over 2 equals y dy. So we have now y dy, and that's equal to du over 2. And this y squared plus 1 is equal to u. So apply now the substitution. So this becomes the integral. Again, y dy is equal to du over 2, then over this y squared plus 1 is equal to u, then equals 1 over 4, then the integral of dx over x. Then we need to put this denominator to outside. So this becomes 1 over 2, then the integral of du over u, then equals 1 over 4, then the integral of dx over x. Now to find now the integral, now take note that the integral of du over u is equal to ln u. So therefore the integral of dx over x, this is equal to ln x. So for this term, to evaluate the integral, so this is 1/2, then ln u, and u is equal to y squared plus 1, then equals 1 over 4, then ln x for the integral of dx over x, then plus c. Then from this to eliminate this denominator, so we need to multiply the whole equation by these two denominator. So this becomes 2 times 4. Then to distribute, so we can cancel now these 2, but we still have 4. So this becomes 4, then ln y squared plus 1, then equals, distribute to this term, so cancel 4, but we still have 2. So this becomes 2 times ln x, then plus c. Then using now the power property of logarithm, so n ln x, this is equal to ln x to the power n. So this 4 becomes the exponent of y squared plus 1, and 2 becomes the exponent of x. So this becomes ln, then y squared plus 1 to the power 4, then equals ln, then x to the power 2, then plus c. Then to simplify, since e to the power ln x is equal to x, so we need to e both sides. So this is e to the power ln, then y squared plus 1 to the power 4, then equals e to the power ln x squared plus c. Then cancel now this e times, or e to the power ln. So we have now y squared plus 1 to the power 4, then equals, then for this, so we can cancel now this e to the power ln. So this becomes x squared, and this plus c. So this becomes times c, because take note that x to the power n plus m, so this is equal to x to the power n times x to the power m. So therefore, x squared plus c. Then to simplify, so we have now y squared plus 1 to the power 4, then equals c times x to the power 2. So this is now the general solution. Then this time, to find the particular solution, so we need to solve first for c. So to solve for c, using these values for x and y, substitute to this equation. So this becomes y is 0, then to the power 2, then plus 1 to the power 4, then equals c times x. X is 4, then to the power 2. And 0 squared plus 1, this is equal to 1 to the power 4, equals c. Then 4 to the power 2, this one is 16. Then divide by 16 to solve for c. So therefore, c equals 1 over 16, because 1 to the power 4, this is equal to 1. So since we have now the value for c, so we can find now the particular solution. So for the particular solution, so we need to substitute the value for c to this equation. So this becomes y squared plus 1 quantity to the power 4, then equals c. C is 1 over 16, then x to the power 2, or this is equal to y squared plus 1 to the power 4 then equals, so this becomes x squared in over. Now take note that 16 is equal to 4 to the power 2. To make these two exponents equal, then to simplify, so this becomes y squared plus 1 quantity to the power 4 then equals, so we can put this exponent to outside, so this becomes x over 4, then put the exponent to outside, then to simplify because we need to solve for y. So to solve for y, so since the exponent is 4, so we need to multiply both sides by the exponent 1 over 4. Multiply 1 over 4, so we can cancel now this 4. So the remaining on the left side, so we have now y squared plus 1 then equals, so this becomes x over 4. Now take note, this is equal to 2 over 4. Then we can reduce, so we have y squared, transpose this to the other side, equals, so this is x over 4. Then this 2 over 4 is equal to 1 half. And transpose this positive 1 to the other side, so this becomes negative 1. Then to solve now for y, so we need to take the square root for both sides. So we have now y then equals the square root of x over 4 to the power 1 half minus 1. So this is now the particular solution.